Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use QuickBooks for landscaping a lawn care business. So the first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser and then log in or sign up for a QuickBooks account. So you just have to set up your company profile. So you just have to go to the settings at the top and then click on the account settings. And then you just have to set up your industry type. So just go here to the company and go to the company type, and right here we have different industry type. So what you're going to do here is you just have to choose the industry for your business. Next is to create your landscaping or lawn care services. So to do that, just go to the sales section. Okay, this one, and go to the products and services. Here you just have to click on the new option at your right side and then click on the service. So to add items like lawn mowing, tree trimming, fertilization services, spring cleanup, mulching, monthly maintenance package, or any kind of service that you're offering. Okay, and then for the item type, then you have your company and then your classes right here. You have your description, the price or rate, and then the income account. Okay, and then click on save and close. Next is to add your clients. So just go to the customer section. You just have to click new customer. So you just have to enter the name, the address, specialty service location, phone, and email. So you can group clients by residential versus commercial, weekly or monthly, service zones like east route, so something like that. Okay, so you have their details right here. So you just have to click on it and save that afterwards. Next is create and send invoices. So just go to the new option. That's right, and then just click on the invoice. So here you just have to choose your customer, the service, and the rate. So you just have to add job date and description, like for example, mowed front and backyard cleaned walkways, so something like that. And then you just have to send directly via email or print it. Okay, and then you can also set up recurring invoices for regular clients like weekly or monthly service. Okay, so after that one, you just have to click on save and send. Okay, and then you'd be able to see here now your invoice. So make sure that you put all of the important details for this invoice. Okay, so you can add message here for your invoice, and then click on save and send. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here now your invoice. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do is to track the expenses. So you just have to go to the transactions and go to the expenses. Okay, so let me just close this one. So go to the new option at the top left. Okay, and then you just have to click on expenses. Here you can categorize the expenses like gas, fuel, equipment maintenance, fertilizer, mulch, wages, labor, marketing. Okay, so you just have to upload the receipts using the mobile app as well. Okay, so here for the suppliers, you just have to input the details of your supplier as well as the expenses. Okay, and then you can also track the time and labor. So this one is optional. Okay, you just have to use the QuickBooks Time, formerly T-Sheets, to track the crew hours, clock in out via app, and then helps track labor costs per job or per client. So for the category, I'm going to select purchases, and yeah, you can add the description right here. And then of course, do not forget the amount. Okay, and then here for the customer or project, and then you can add class. Okay, and then if you have receipts, you can upload here on the attachment section. That's right. So here, the next thing that we are going to do is to run reports. Okay, so let me just close this one. So to run a report, you just have to go to the report section. This one at the left side of our screen. Okay, so just have to go to the profit and loss. You can see here what you're earning and spending. For the customer balance, you can see here if where the people still owes you. And then for the job costing, the QuickBooks Online Plus, so you can track the profit per job or client. Then for the mileage, you have you can track miles driven for tax deduction. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.